Boy, isn't this a beautiful park? I'm glad God gave us nice parks filled with grass and basketball courts like this. Sure is lovely nature. We're going to show you a couple of dunks that God gave us our nature bodies with. There's stop. That's what nature's all about. You make some, you miss some. Just like some fires burn down forests, some forests grow. Remember that? Well, you know what?
Sorry, I beat you up.
No.
What about nature?
Okay. Nature! Nature! Nature!
Everything to you. You say you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart you're leaving. Baby, I'm grieving.